Good morning, everyone. My name is Crystal Hall, and welcome to my channel. So, as promised, I am bringing you guys a Christmas tour slash, I don't know, decoration video, whatever you want to call it, just to show off my Christmas decorations for the holiday season. You guys seem to love my Dollar Tree haul, so now I'm going to show you guys how I put those decorations and decor to work, how I placed everything, and also some new additions that I've added since the video that I launched at the Dollar Tree haul. So without further ado, let's get started. So you guys, look at this kitchen, y'all. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? So I'm just going to start off with these pillows that I got. So I recently got these pillows literally yesterday, and they are so freaking cute. So my theme for the kitchen was plaid, whether it was red, black and white type plaid, and just basically red and gold accents. So I loved it. I didn't want to do like all Christmassy theme. It's kind of just like holiday theme, if that makes sense. Like I want it to be more kind of like grown Christmas, not like a childish Christmas, if that makes sense. So okay, so now I'm gonna explain where I got these pillows from. These pillows came from Hobby Lobby. I thought they would be really cute to sit in the chairs. I've always wanted to add some pillows to the chairs, and then these ones I feel like I can reuse again, not just in the holiday season but in general. So I picked those up, $10 a piece, so basically 2 for $20 because they were originally $20 a piece. So Hobby Lobby had some, Hobby Lobby had some great deals, so I got those from there. But back to the decor. Of course, these plates and stuff came from Dollar Tree. The placemats came from Hobby Lobby. Very inexpensive, only like $3 a piece, I believe. So I added those underneath these plates, and I just love how I set this up. I just think it's really, really cute. So that's that. And then I have this candle from Walmart, and of course I have the two tea light holders. You can either put tea lights in them like I did, or you can put candy in them, which is what I did at first, but I like the tea light look better, so I just have that all centered here. Then I use this this stand that I had when I first moved in, and so I put salt and pepper on them. These have gold tops, if you guys can see that. Have gold tops. And then I have some repurposed fake roses that I've had since like 2 years ago in my student apartment, and I put the bulbs, the fillers in the vase, so I gave it a little, you know, a touch, a spruced up touch. And then I added the trees here. These wine glasses are from Dollar Tree, but I did not get them in the previous haul. But because they're red, I just thought it would be cute to sit in front of the plates. And then of course a classic coffee tea mug on top of some gold napkins that I repurposed from my dad's 50th birthday party last year. So that's that, and I just did the same thing on both sides, and that's how the front looks, y'all. And then just around the back side, I just set up this little station with cups and napkins and candy. Of course, this gold tray is from Dollar Tree as well, and so I added the napkins from Dollar Tree up here with some gold, well, clear and gold cups that I repurposed from my dad's 50th birthday party last year, and just added some seasonal candy right there. So just for like guests to have, you know, something to drink out of, you know, napkins and some candy. Then guys, I had bought this from Michael's for $19. It says Merry Christmas. I originally wanted to sit this outside of my door, but I didn't think it through. So the sign that I have on my door now is a reversible sign. It was made for the fall. One side says fall, and then the other side says Hey Friends. I'm going to reverse it to the Hey Friends side because it's like white and brown, so I feel like it will still go with Christmas theme. And then I don't know if I'm going to take this one back or just keep it here in the kitchen. or in the house, because it just looks stupid sitting outside because it's not as tall and big as my other one that I have. So right now I have it right here in the corner by my fridge, and it doesn't look bad, but I know I'm not going to keep it there. I just placed it right there because I literally don't know what to do with it. So if you guys have any ideas of where I should put this, please comment below and let me know. I was going to hang it outside the door, but it covers my peephole, and I don't like that, you know. That's why I want to get a wreath, and then I want to sit this in the corner, kind of like the theme that I had for fall. So let me know if you guys have any ideas for that. But moving on, I just hung up some the little oven mitts that says winter wishes up here. I put the deck the hall sign up here, and then you guys you saw that I had those little the little photo booth signs or whatever for Christmas, because I thought I was gonna have a little gathering. But I took 2 of them and I just taped them up here on the cabinet. And so I thought that was really cute, kind of like a little simple touch, not doing too much, you know. And then as promised, I put my bread and my cookies in this little bucket that I had got. So I really like that right there. And then here's the wreath that I redid, guys. So of course the wreath was very small, and of course I was trying to put it outside the door, my main door, but I was like, it's too small and I don't like it. So I was like, let's just put it in the house somewhere. So I took the old bow off, and then I put this bow up there, and I twisted the twisty thing around it so it can stay around the wreath. And then I just brought the bell to the front, and I think it's really cute over my sink. It really looks nice right there. So I love that, and that was my mini DIY that I did. It's still kind of simple, but that big bow really embraces the wreath as a whole and makes it look better than that small fragile bow. And I'll tell you guys where I put that bow at. So I put another deck the halls thing right here. I put another oven mitt right here. And this is where I put the other bow. It's very simple, and it's in the cut, but I mean, it adds a little touch to this little basket that I have. I didn't know what to put in the basket, so I just put one of my candles that I haven't burned in a while right there, and just let that sit right there until I found something else to put in there. I was gonna put like some fruit or candy in there, but I don't have any right now, so that's what I'm working with. Yeah, and then I have like a little hand towel right there. I had this hand towel over here, but I got this hand towel yesterday from Hobby Lobby as well for like $1 and some change. So I put it with these hand towels that I had before I moved in. I just had never used them, and so I placed it together, and I think it looks so cute. I love the different patterns, and I love how the black and the white goes with the gold. So I really love that. So back to the table. This is my decorations, guys. I'm gonna definitely show you guys what I end up doing to the outside of my main door, because I'm not finished there yet. But as far as like everything else, it looks so good. So I'm still working on my living room because I want to add some stuff to my tree. I just got some ornaments yesterday, so we have that coming soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration to know that you can decorate your home on a budget with Dollar Tree items. And of course I added a couple things from Hobby Lobby that I really loved, but I feel like it tied my entire look in together that I was going for. So if this video helped you, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like it, and also share this video with your family and friends, and leave a comment below if I helped you in any way, or if you found some things in this video interesting or that you loved them. Just comment anything.